everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this white Kraft butcher paper roll has so many uses, not only in the kitchen, but also in my craft room. I needed it primarily for decorating my mugs with my mug press. When I'm using my infusible inks, I can wrap the mug to protect my mug press from being stained by the inks. It's also great to use on the table for the kids to color on. My niece loved that she could just keep drawing and unwrapping the roll and drawing even more. Of course, it's great in the kitchen for its traditional use. It's unwaxed, unbleached, and food grade. This white Kraft butcher paper roll is substantial and will last a long time in our home, whether we use it in the kitchen or in the craft room. And that's my point of view.